So we are continuing to think about anxiety from the physiological lens, from really paying attention to our bodies. So step one was to metabolize that excess fuel from the body so that that is discharged, and we now can have a little bit better connection to our prefrontal cortex, this part of the brain here, that can begin to come into present time and begin to find that groundedness in our bodies. So our next step is to simply look around the space that you're in and notice what you see. And maybe you name those things out loud. I notice the beautiful yellow flowers over there. I notice a backpack that's green over there on the shelf. Different aspects of the room. I notice the color of the walls, whatever you notice with your eyes. And then also begin to notice any sounds that you hear. Noticing maybe the wind outside, noticing someone talking in the distance. What do you notice in your own space about what you hear? Maybe there's even a smell or a taste that comes in. And then what can you begin to feel in your own physical body? It's almost like feeling the edges of your skin. And so for me, I like to do a little bit of compression or noticing, feeling if the compression doesn't feel good, maybe you feel like a little bit of rubbing. And then very simply say, hello, left arm. I see you. I feel you. Here you are, left arm. Here you are, left hand, left fingers. And then repeat on other parts of your body with compression. Maybe you slow it down a little bit. What does that feel like? Can you begin to feel where your physical body is in space? Noticing the edges of your body. Hello, legs. Hello, feet. You may even give yourself a big hug and feel the compression into your organs, into your heart, into your lungs. Notice if that feels like it can begin to ground your body, to bring your body into present moment. And then after this step, we'll move on to our next step, which is beginning to regulate our nervous system even more.